Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to change your country in Google AdSense in 2026. So if you moved to a new country or made a mistake during setup, this guide will explain what you can and can't do. First, you should know this. Google AdSense does not allow you to directly change your country on an existing account. This is because your country is linked to tax rules, payment systems, and account verification. To confirm your current setup, go to Payments and check your account profile details. If you move to a new country, you usually need to close your old AdSense account and create a new one in your new country. Make sure you withdraw all your earnings before closing your account, because once it's closed, you may lose access to remaining balance. Now go to the AdSense website and create a new account using your new country's details and address. If you use YouTube, you'll also need to reconnect AdSense from YouTube Studio under the monetization settings. Then complete identity and address verification again for your new country account. And never try to use fake country information because it can lead to permanent account suspension. So that's how to change your country in Google AdSense in 2026. You can't directly edit it, but you can switch by creating a new compliant account. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.